Every day, we're connected through our phones with every click, every post, and every comment. We shape the world around us. Technology has given us the power to share ideas, to inspire, and to connect. But this same power can also harm through hurtful words, through careless action, through cyberbullying.
It's great. Let's post this. Don't mind them, Febby.
Cyberbullying is not just a joke. It can lead to deep sadness, depression, and even self-harm or suicide. Many suffer in silence, feeling alone, believing no one cares. But friendship can heal. When someone reach out, listen, and show kindness, it can bring back hope. A single act of care, a single act of voice of support can change a life.
We should stop cyberbullying because silence is no longer an option.
Life should be used to call words typed behind the screen.
The person's decision both online and offline. Words can heal, but they can also destroy. Let's choose kindness.
Problem is not just a joke. It is a violence in another form.
Behind every account, shames,
We demand an online hate, shaming, and humiliation. Social media should unite us, not break us apart.
enough is enough. No more pain caused by digital collision.
Together, we can create an online world where compassion is louder than hate.
Stand up and speak up.
Stop the cyberbullying.
Stop the cyberbullying.
Stop the
Stop the
cyberbullying.
cyberbullying.